Hi all of you, in this video I am going to show you what is GIT conflict and how it occurs. So let me just start my video. Let me just change my font first and also your size as well. Let me change it to unispace and size should be 26. Color should be, for now I think aqua is good. So let me just let me be a root user. To be a root user, sudo -i, or you can do sudo su as well. Now as you can see I am root user. Let me first clear my screen. So aqua is not appearing good. Let me change color again. Let me change it to I think this green. Yeah, this is good now. Okay, so let me check where I am. First let me do ls. There is nothing. Where all my stuff gone? Let me again do sudo su. Okay, so ec2 user. Now I am root user. Yeah, so let me do ls. Singapore good. So there is my file Singapore git. Okay, so let me just go there. Singapore. Let me do cd Singapore git. Okay, let me do ls. So there is two files as you all can see. So now I will make another file. Okay, so let me make a new file. Let me make a new file name as file 1, or let me make like a new file. Okay, new file. Okay, so in this file I'll write like hi. Let me write please comment down, please comment below. Okay, so this is my text. Now let me check where I am. Git branch, in which branch I am right now? I am in master branch. Okay, so from now I will add from here git add new file. Okay, now git commit -m for message. Now message should be commit from master branch. Okay, now the file is committed. Now let's move to next branch. Okay, which is your branch 1. Git checkout branch 1. Okay, now you can see that I am in branch 1. Let me make a new file here with same name. Okay, with same name, which is your new file. Let me write here please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let me go out from here. Now it's time to add and commit again. Now I am in master branch. No, so sorry, not in master. Now I am in branch 1. So I am adding and committing from here. Git add new file. Okay, git commit -m commit from branch 1. Okay, branch 1. Now as you can see that committed. Okay, now let me go again to my master branch. Okay, your branch ahead origin by commit 1, you switch to master branch. Your branch is ahead of origin master by 1 commit. Use git push to publish your local commits. Okay, so now I am in master branch. Let me check. Yes, I am in master branch. So now if I commit, if I sorry not commit, if I merge the uh, branch 1 file to my master branch, so the conflict will occur. As you can see now, git merge branch 1. Okay, now you can see that conflict is occurred. Conflict merge conflict in new file, auto merging new file, automatic merge failed, fix conflict and then commit the result. Okay, so it is saying to fix. So how can I fix? By edit that file, because the file has a not unique name, the file has a common name. As you all can see now that it is saying this is the head and this is your master branch and this is your branch 1. So which content should be above and which content should be below, so it is asking for that. Okay, so let me remove from here. So as you can see that I have removed all the lines of branch 1 and head. Okay, so now it's time to go back, save and quit. Now it's time to add and commit again. Git add new file. Okay, git. Now this is my message. As you all can see, this is my final commit. Now as you can see that my file is committed. Okay, and now it's time to push that file. Git push origin master. Okay, now it is asking username, so username is this. Now for password, let me create a new token. Now to generate token you have to go first, let me do like this. So to generate token you have to go to settings, in your developer setting, in your personal access token. So now it's time to generate a new token. Okay, now it's time to enter password first. So to generate token you can write anything. Okay, and just take all this stuff. So now copy this and paste here by pressing this. So now it is pasted. Now it's time to press enter. Now you can see that my file is pushed to my repo. Let me see that. So let me see where is my file. There is, you can see that there is my file, new file. Please comment below, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is my content which I created in front of you. So that is your git conflict and it is the important topic of git. Okay, so you should prepare for this before interview. And yeah, that's all about for today, and I will meet you in my next video.